reprise at the
powered by 300 competent athletes, coaches, and trainers.
This is the Bulacan State University. From the historical town of Baler, Aurora, Dr. Oscar T. Vallejo for Health Technology. The color of purpose and competing in 11 events is the Bulacan Agricultural State College Delegation, composed of 85 athletes, 11 coaches, 3 officials.
Ang Bataan Peninsula State University ay pinamumunuan ni Dr. Delphine O. Magpare.
Delegation from Bataan, Bataan Peninsula State University.
From a state college to a state university. DAPCAT is now the premier state university in Pampanga, the Don Honorio Ventura Technological State University. The athletes and coaches of Don Honorio Ventura Technological State University. It will take more than just an erupting volcano to stop us.
Dynamic support University President Dr. Hilario C. Ortiz, University of Science and Technology, na nagpupugay sa inyo at bumabati ng magandang hapon, and may God bless us all.
Of the Pampanga Agricultural College, located in Magalang, Pampanga, the home of the first ever NSIC certified variety of the Aglimot Sweet Tamarind. Armed with findings, our ever charismatic President, Dr. Honorio M. Soriano Jr.
Fearing world, including many master mariners, chief engineers, shipping executives, ni Philippine Merchant Marine Academy.
Magbigay-pugay sa paparating na delegasyon na nagmula sa Air Defense Wing Fighter Town, opisyales at 72 atleta sa iba't ibang larangan ng patimpalak ay kinakatawan ng masipag at butihing officer in charge, Attorney Carmelita Yadaw Sison.
Always energetic and forever be the number one. Mga Magsaysay Technological University, Ina Zambales. Wearing a combination of blue, gold, and red athletic uniform. Some Malagas, the Magsaysay Technological University. Next on the line, approaching the grandstand, is the delegation of the Tarlac College of Agriculture from the beautiful and historic town of Camalin in western Tarlac. Course Director, Mrs. Lorena Bernillo. The coaches and trainers, particular events. Radiant in their green and white uniforms, the TCM Warriors are determined to win in their event.
Kung ipakilala ang aming universidad. Ito ay pinamumunahan na pangawang Pangulo, Dr. Lolita Sikat, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Roberto Asito. Mga kaibigan, ang team, Dora, na binubuo, Lao, katayo amin ako ngayon ay 13 pamantasan at kolegyo.
Sa silanganan, alak ng puso, sa mo'y buhay.
Unang-una po sa ngalan ng pamunuan ng Central Luzon State University, ang aming mga opisyales, ang aming mga guro at kawali, at lahat ng mga mag-aaral, isang malugod at mainit na pagtanggap ang ipinapabot po namin sa inyong lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo sa Central Luzon State University. To have shared activities like this, where we interact with each other, where we can mingle, where we can be comfortable with one another, and gain confidence in each other. Sports is a good unifier which helps us to do this because it creates an emotional connection which not many other activities can do as well.
Dalawa, isa, sige! At ang wala at kalayaan, pagkakaibigan ay atin nang pinagawawalan. Paraparan po natin ang SUC3 at ang pagbubukas ng ating wala. Scenario, a round of applause as it touches the grandstand.
In this year's Third Olympics, do hereby declare that we are amateurs and that we do pledge ourselves.
As chairman of the executive board of the State Universities and Colleges Region 3 Olympics 2010, I now declare the games open.